Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to take a look at Oppo F7. Before that, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more video notifications. So let's go ahead with the Oppo F7. So we have the red color F7. We also get few other color options, and this one comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB memory, and it is priced at 21,999. So on the rear of the phone we get a 16 megapixel f1.8 aperture primary camera with a flash, fingerprint sensor, and the back is made of glass. So on the front we get an iPhone X-like design, and it has a notch, and nowadays it's getting very popular with Android phones too. So on the front we get a 25 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. There is an earpiece and a 6.2 inches Full HD Plus display with Gorilla Glass 5. So this is the earpiece and the 25 megapixel camera. Let me go ahead and power on this device. Let's take a overview. So on the right we get a power button, SIM tray, and this supports dual SIM. On the left we get volume buttons. Let's take a closer look. So at the bottom of the phone we get micro USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack, mic and speaker, and on the top we get the secondary mic. Let's go ahead and check the phone. It comes with Color OS, and this is the custom OS for Oppo. So now let's go into the setting menu and add a fingerprint. So before that we'll need to go ahead and set up a pin. So let's begin. So adding the fingerprint sensor was quite fast. So now let's go ahead and test the fingerprint sensor. That is quick. Let's try one more time. This one also has a face unlock feature. So now let's go ahead and add my face. And test this feature. Yep, it is so fast. Now let's go into the about phone and check the information. So this phone comes with Android 8.1 out of the box. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB inbuilt memory, and February security update. Now it's time to go and check the storage. So out of 64GB, the internal space is of 50GB. So this phone also comes with a lot of bloatwares. So now let's go into the camera app and check some of the camera features. So this is the front facing camera. Let's take some snaps. And in order to toggle between the modes, we just need to swipe across the camera app. Also, this comes with an AI beautification mode. Let's switch back to the rear camera and take some snaps. The shutter speed is really fast. Let's go ahead and open the recent pic. And this is the image quality of the recent pic. So let's go ahead and check one more feature, that's the gestures. It has an iPhone X like gestures. So now we have to go ahead and select the simple gestures. So here is the simple tutorial. We need to swipe up to go to home screen, swipe up and hold to go to the recent apps. Let's do it once again. And out of 4 GB, the used memory is 1.95 GB. So now let's bring back the navigation keys. So this phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM options. So it's time to do some benchmarking. And these are the results for single core and for multi-core. So let's take a side-by-side comparison with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.